Welcome to this seller learning session. In this video, you will learn about what is HSN code, how to upload HSN code on the seller dashboard. So what is HSN code? HSN, Harmonized System Nomenclature, is a globally accepted nomenclature of names and numbers to classify traded products. GST law requires each product to be classified to appropriate HSN code. Tax rate applicable to a given HSN code will be used in all tax computations. As a compliance requirement, HSN code has to be mandatorily printed on the invoice, and the tax computed in the invoice will be basis the HSN code. HSN code is determined by attributes of products like what is the product, what material is it made of, what are the functions or use, in what form is it usually supplied, is this the only possible classification? How is the HSN code structured? The first two digits represent the chapter. Next two digits represent the heading. Next two digits represent the subheadings, 1- subheadings, and the last two digits represent the subheading. Now that you have understood what HSN is, let us see what you need to do on the Flipkart seller dashboard to be GST compliant. Under the Listings tab, you can get the entire HSN directory by clicking here. Let us now understand how to update listings. First, log into the seller dashboard and go to the Listings tab. Step 1. Click on Edit Selling Attributes. Step 2. Input the HSN code of your product here. You can also click here to know which HSN to choose. After clicking, you will get more information on how to choose the right HSN for your listing. Please note, you can select only the relevant HSN code for that product. Our system will not accept if you try to enter the HSN code which is not of the relevant product group. Step 3. After filling up the correct HSN code, click on Update Changes. Now, let us understand how to update listings in bulk. First, log into the seller dashboard and go to the Listings tab. Step 1. Download the stock file for all your listings. Step 2. Once downloaded, check the HSN code for your product using HSN directory. Please ensure that the right HSN code is updated. Step 3. Upload the file once the HSN code is updated. Step 4. Check the status here once the file is uploaded. You will see an error in the stock file if the HSN code is invalid. Please remember, you can select only the relevant HSN code for that product. Our system will not accept if you try to enter the HSN code which is not of the relevant product group or if the number is not present in the HSN directory. Now that you have understood what HSN is and where to add it on the dashboard, here are a few things you need to keep in mind. A seller can select different HSN codes for similar products. Last 4 digits of the HSN code depend on design and purpose of use. Sellers should be very careful while entering HSN code for his or her listings because the value entered by the sellers will be used for all tax computations. That's it. You are done. Thanks for watching this video. Now you will be able to understand HSN code and update your listings easily.